Imagine living without a heart. It sounds impossible, but one woman defied the odds. This is the story of a true medical marvel. She lived for 16 years without a biological heart. Her journey is a testament to the power of human resilience and medical innovation. This woman's story is not just about survival. It highlights the importance of research and awareness, especially for women's heart health. Her experience can inspire us all to learn more about this vital organ. It can also encourage us to support those working to improve heart health for everyone. This remarkable woman's story begins with a diagnosis that changed her life forever. Faced with a heart condition that threatened her very existence, she made the courageous decision to undergo a groundbreaking procedure. Little did she know, this decision would make her a beacon of hope for countless others battling similar challenges. The human heart is an amazing organ. It works tirelessly, pumping blood throughout the body. This blood carries oxygen and nutrients to every cell, keeping us alive and functioning. But what happens when this vital organ fails? A heart attack occurs when blood flow to the heart is blocked. This blockage damages the heart muscle, impairing its ability to pump effectively. Heart disease, including heart attacks, is a leading cause of death worldwide. Understanding the heart's function and the risks associated with heart disease is crucial for everyone. For the woman in our story, her heart was failing due to a rare condition. This condition made a heart transplant impossible. Instead, doctors offered her a radical alternative, an artificial heart. This decision would lead her down a path few had traveled before, testing the limits of medical science and human endurance. The artificial heart that kept this woman alive is a marvel of engineering. It's a mechanical device that takes over the heart's role, pumping blood throughout the body. Living with an artificial heart comes with unique challenges. Daily life required significant adjustments. She needed regular medical care and had to carry around a power source for her artificial heart. Simple tasks like taking a shower required careful planning. Despite these challenges, she embraced life with remarkable strength and optimism. Her story underscores the importance of technological advancements in healthcare. It also highlights the resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity. Her willingness to share her journey provides valuable insights into the realities of living with an artificial heart. It also serves as a powerful reminder that life can be full and meaningful, even in the face of extraordinary medical challenges. Section 4. Advancements in heart technology. This woman's survival was made possible by groundbreaking advancements in heart technology. Artificial hearts have come a long way, offering hope to patients with end-stage heart failure. These devices are constantly being improved, becoming smaller, more efficient, and longer-lasting. Research into artificial hearts continues to advance, with scientists working tirelessly to develop even better solutions. These advancements include developing fully implantable artificial hearts and bioengineered hearts grown from a patient's own cells. The future of heart technology holds immense promise for patients with heart disease. This woman's story is a testament to the life-saving potential of medical innovation. It underscores the importance of continued research and development in the field of heart health. Her journey serves as an inspiration to scientists, engineers, and medical professionals working tirelessly to improve the lives of countless individuals battling heart disease. Section 5. Women's Heart Health, a Call for Action. This woman's experience also highlights a critical issue: disparities in women's heart health. Heart disease is the leading cause of death for women globally, yet it's often under-researched, underdiagnosed, and undertreated in women. Women may experience different heart attack symptoms than men, and their symptoms are sometimes dismissed. Additionally, women are less likely to receive certain life-saving treatments. We need to raise awareness about the unique challenges women face when it comes to heart health. We must advocate for increased research funding, better access to health care, and greater awareness of women's heart health issues. Support organizations like the American Heart Association, participate in heart health awareness events, and talk to your doctor about your risk factors. Together we can close the gap in women's heart health and ensure that every woman has the best chance for a long and healthy life.